Good morning, all of you. Now we are in the section of direct variation, okay, direct proportion. So first 5 question I already gave you as homework. All of you, I hope all of you got this. If anybody have any doubts for any question, you can contact me. I will clear its doubt. And if you have more doubts, I will clear in the class. Now listen the next question, 6th question. All of you take your textbook and read question number 6. In a model of a ship, the mast is 9 centimeter high while the mast of the actual ship is 12 meter high. If the length of the ship is 28 meter, how long is the model ship? Okay, that is the question given. Okay, if in a model of a ship the mast is 9 centimeter high while the mast of the actual ship is 12 meter high. So here two quantities are, one is model, okay, one is a model ship and another is an actual ship, actual length of the ship. Here they are making a ship and its model is given. What is the mast you know, that is a pole in this ship. Its height in the model it is given how much? 9 centimeter, okay. Now and it actual ship height of that mast is 12 meter, okay. This is given in meter, actual ship, this is given in centimeter, so no need of representing that in this page. Next, if the length of the ship is 28, length of the ship is given, actual ship is given 28 meter, how long is the model ship? Here it is given 28. Here it is not given the length of the model ship here, that we want to find out x. Okay. Now we know if the length of the ship increase, its mast length also will be increase. Okay. Its model ship's mast also will be increase. So they will be in which proportion, which direction? It will be direct proportion. So we can use x1 by y1 will be equal to x2 by y2. So 9 by 12 is equal to x by 28. From this you can find out the value of x. It is very simple. So using that calculation you want to find out the value of x. Next question, 7th question. Suppose 2 kg of sugar contains 9 into 10 raised to 6 crystals. How many sugar crystals are there in 5 kg of sugar and 2 kg of sugar? Okay. Next one is 2 kg of sugar contains 9 into 10 raised to crystals. So first one is given sugar, next is crystals. Okay. So if it is 2 kg, its crystal is given, quantity of crystal is given 9 into 10 raised to 6. And we want to find out how many sugar crystals are there in 5 kg of sugar. If it is 5 kg, what is the quantity of crystals? Next you want to find out if it is 1.2 kg, what is the quantity? Here we want to find out 2 questions answers. Okay, so here also we can use x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. So 2 by 9 into 10 raised to, they are in direct proportion, that we know. If the quantity of sugar increase, number of crystals also will be increase. 2 divided by 9 into 10 raised to 6 is equal to 5 by x. So what will be the value of x? From this we can find out 2x is equal to 9 into 5 into 10 raised to 6, or x is equal to 9 into 5 into 10 raised to 6 divided by 2. Okay, 9 into 5, not 4. 9 into 5 into 10 raised to 6 divided by 2. So this will get, first you will get 9 into 5, 45. 45 by 2, then 22.5 into 10 raised to 6 will get answer. Okay, now that we already learned, when we write numbers in standard form or with the powers of 6, this number should be in between 1 and 10. So this we can rearrange as, instead of 22.5 into 10 raised to 6, we can write 2.25 into 10 raised to 7. Okay, that is a standard form of writing. Okay, so that is the answer of x. Just like you can find out the value of y also using the same 2 by, from that we can use 2 by 9 into 10 raised to 6 will be equal to 1.2 by y. From this you can find out the value of y just like this calculation. Okay, now next question is, Rashmi has a road map with a scale of 1 centimeter representing 18 kilometer. She drives on a road of 72 kilometer. What would be her distance? What would be her distance covered in the map? Okay, Rashmi was a road map with a scale of 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter represents 18 kilometer. So map distance and also actual distance will be. So if it is 1 centimeter, its actual distance is 18. This actual distance is given in kilometer. Map distance is given in centimeter. So 1 by 18 will be equal to, okay, that is given. She drives on a road for 72 kilometer. On the road distance it is given 72 kilometer. Then what would be her distance covered in the map? So in the map will be the distance we want to find out. Same, x1 by y1 equal x2 by y2. So the value of x, we can write 1 by 18 is equal to x by 72. From this we can find out x will be equal to 18x will be equal to 72. X is equal to 72 by 18. Okay, so that will be get 4 centimeter. Okay, all are very easy questions and all are same type of questions. Next question, look, all of you want to do this is in your notebook. Okay, I will just give you as a clue. Correct note you want to write in your notebook. Next one, a 5 meter 60 centimeter high vertical pole cast shadow 3 meter 20 centimeter long. Find the same time the length of the shadow cast by another pole 10 meter 50 centimeter high. And another question, the height of a pole which casts a shadow 5 meter long. Okay, this also we can use in the same way. So instead of that 5 meter 60 centimeter full, we can convert into centimeter. That will be easy for calculation. Okay, so in this case we can find out 5 meter 60 centimeter 560. Okay, it will be vertical pole cast a shadow 3 meter 20 centimeter. So that divided by 320 will be equal to, find what we want to find out. Find the same time. First one, the length of the shadow cast by another pole 10 meter 50 centimeter high. Okay, so if it is 10 meter 50, how we can convert into centimeter? 1050 divided by, we want to find out the shadow length we want to find out. So in this way, using this way, we can find out the value, just like in the next question also. Okay, now last question, you look. A loaded truck travels 14 km in 25 minutes. If the speed remains the same, how far can it travel in 5 hours? That is the question. Okay, a loaded truck travels 14 km in 25 minutes. If the speed remains the same, how far can travel it in 5 hours? So next, the second quantity next is given. One is in hour, another one is in given minute. So both convert into same unit, that is better. So after that we can write this 14 km travels in how much minute take? 25 minutes. That will be in the same ratio. Okay, if the time increase, the distance also will be increasing. So if the speed remains the same, then how far can it travel in 5 hours? So 5 hours, that we can convert to 5 into 60, 300. How much distance will it travel in that time? That we want to find out using this equation. Okay, in this way, all of you can find out the answers. All in this case it is direct proportion. Okay, so all of you find out this answer and write in your notebook. Very important questions are this. Okay, thank you.